What's up everybody, welcome to another video. Finally we are back at the EBASS tournament for 2024, first leg at Witbank Dam. The guys have all gone. We're just we're changing a prop. We tried a new prop on the boat and it's not working, so quickly changing that, and then we will be getting back on the water for leg one at Witbank. Wish us luck.
TVL Training is a registered software skills development provider with 30 years of experience, specializing in the training and licensing of lifting and earth-moving equipment operators. TVL Training also provide accredited safety and skills training. At TVL, we are passionate about developing people, increasing safety in the workplace, improving client productivity and compliancy. So please do not hesitate to contact TVL Training for any of your training requirements.
How was your day at fishing?
Absolutely fantastic.
Lies, all lies. Guys, what a tough day on Witbank Dam. As you can see, I don't know, outside it is pouring, everyone's hiding, lightning like crazy. We caught so many little fish, probably this is in the 100, I don't know. We brought in probably like 40 or 50 little things because we're culling this dam. But
okay. Sorry,
wow,
put it down.
wow, yes, it was a tough day today, guys.
Okay.
Anyhow, it is what it is. We didn't manage to weigh any keepers, put lots of small fish, and I think a lot of guys also, we'll have to see what happens, but I think a lot of guys struggled. Witbank is really fishing terrible, and then the storm is just not great.
Are you off the water?
Anyways, I'll catch you later.